Honest, thank you. After 3 months of struggle, na follow up NID card for me go. Now that's all straight. Me kisi NID card for me straight. Me am straight. I'm opening call Adsense for me back na verification for complete na for me flow back in business on YouTube and yo, that was my struggle. After giving this update, them plenty big plamamas video but put on close to here. Me only back somewhere start longer time because channel me demonetized there, so now all these videos when me only back stand I'm not dropping my rap but me make him and put on close to so you guys, everybody on that channel by plamamas too because but Rausi some important quality information. Thank you na like it. Yes, that's my this NID card of mine. You know, she way to mix him. You think man, even though I paid 40 kina for that fast tracking process, but it took me 3 solid months. Yes, almost 4 months, and I got this NID card of mine. The birth certificate is not yet being printed, so they told me to wait and follow up. But the big deal is I have to get my national identity card. And my point here to every Papua New Guinean out there, if you know been sim NID card, please not stop. Please make it your business. Nakisim NID card. Now over a system and operate on them identity verification. So you must get on the NID card, driver's license or passport to make it life pretty easy. Yeah, I got this NID card of mine and I will use that to verify my Adsense account and this will put back advertisement on my YouTube channels and my blogs like that. So any questions about YouTube monetization in PNG, do not hesitate to ask me. Hit me on the comment section, ask anything and we reply so that everybody will, we learn together. So thank you for watching me and being a loyal subscriber and a family on Chronicles of HP. We are a family on YouTube, and aside from me, I don't like to make videos that are fake and not helping. Yeah, funny jokes one me no man look in this kind of video. So videos from your kind of school talk say about today's world and technology and scams and some real talks. Thank you for watching. So, me drop mom the video below NID process too. So, stop now, flow along now. We go together. Thank you for watching. Much love and stay blessed, kids.
Today's a gift, for we don't know what tomorrow might bring. Life is too short for so, and I don't like holding on to little grudges that will keep on taunting me. Just wanna live my moments with the happiness in the car. I'm that's what I say. What do I want pay? You should let it go and just forget it all, yo. They say life is a race and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. They say